pretty sure Tita Lorena isn't thinking about you anymore. Kaya sana burahin mo na rin siya sa isip mo, Dad.
Mawawala rin to, Amber.
She's already gone. Ikaw lang tong paulit-ulit na bumabalik. Dad, napagdaanan na natin to.
Sorry, anak.
The pain doesn't go away just because you say sorry. You have to let her go for real. You keep carrying this weight, but for what? For whom? Iniwan na tayo ni Tita Lorena, but Tita Ronnie's been there. Simula nung nawala si Mom, she never left. She doesn't owe us anything, but she stayed. Pinili niyang magstay. Matagal na natin kasama si Tita Ronnie. She deserves our love too. Nakasama natin siya through every season. Not just the good ones, even the heavy, ugly ones.
You know what's tragic? I give this man my best years, my best body, even my best eyeliner. And yet every time I blink, I feel her ghost between us. Hindi ako tanga, Gian. I know when I'm being haunted by the name Lorena Herrera.
Si Wilfred pa rin?
Of course. You know, that man can say all the right things, but don't tell me that he's over her. Kitang-kita ko na naman kanina kung paano niya na iniisip yung reyna ng kabusitan.
Amber, hindi ko naman nakakalimutan yun.
Tita Ronnie deserves better than this. Better than being your second choice. She deserves you. The whole you. Not what's left after Tita Lorena. Kaya, please, Dad. Pakawalan na natin si Tita Lorena sa mga buhay natin. Kung paano natin pinalaya yung mga alaala ni Mommy.